Paying your student loans can be difficult, okay? I've been there, done that. You're at a job, you're making $4,000 or $5,000 per month, and then you have your mortgage or your rent, you have your expenses, and you're left with a measly amount, and then you're only just paying a certain amount, maybe $50, $100, $200 to your student loan every month and accruing interest. And then you realize, like, shit, I'm never gonna pay off these student loans. I've been in that situation before, and the way I paid off my student loans was realizing that I had to make more money. And the way I made more money is by starting an e-commerce business, selling physical products online. You shop online, I shop online, the whole entire fucking universe shops online. So why wouldn't you think, oh, this is a perfect opportunity for me to start selling products, getting into this multi-trillion-dollar market so I can live a better life and stop worrying about student loans, credit card debt, and all that crazy shit. Because truth of the matter, people struggle with debt and they're in debt because they don't make enough money to live the life that they want or need. So if you're interested in really getting started with e-commerce, I want to help you get out of debt and stop worrying about student loans, credit card debt, and all that crazy bullshit.